Hello all, in this video we are going to find the value of this, which is the first problem of assignment 1. So basically what is the value? We will use one formula which is this. So suppose you have one number, let's say a, and there is a power m into n, then you can actually write it as first this and then power n, or equivalently, I mean they are exactly the same quantity. A to the power n you can first find and then whole power m. You can do this, okay? So using this formula we will solve, we will find the value of this expression. So this is equal to 64 to the power 2 by 3, and to the power 2 by 3 can be written as, so basically 1 by 3 into 2, okay? There is no confusion. And then again 64 to the power 3 by 2 can be written as first half and then 3, because 3 by 2 is just half into 3. Well, so then by this formula on this side, you can write 64 to the power 1 by 3 first and then whole to the power 2. Similarly 64 to the power half first, okay, and then to the power 3. Now what is this? I can also remove this part. I can also remove this bracket. So 64 to the power 1 by 3. What is 64 to the power 1 by 3? So any number to the power 1 by 3 means what? Okay. So x is cube of what? That is the question. So 64 to the power 1 by 3 means 64 is the cube of what? Actually 4 cube, if you calculate 4 cube means 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, which will give 64, okay? So then basically 4 cube is 64, then 4 equal to, if 3 goes this side, it will be 64 whole power 1 by 3. So basically this 3 is going that side, so it becomes 1 by 3. So 64 to their 1 by 3 is 4, okay? Because 4 cube is just 64, so 64 power 1 by 3 is just 4, okay? And then square was already outside, plus 64 to the half, okay? Again, some number x to the power half means what? That is the square root. This is simply the root, square root, okay? Is the square root, which means whose square is x. So if I take 64 to be the number, then what is the number whose square is 64? That is precisely 8, right? So 64 to the power half is 8, and then there is cube. Now 4 square is what? 16, plus what is 8 cube? 8 cube is 64 into 8, which is nothing but 512, which is nothing but 512, and therefore the final answer is 528. So this is the final answer.